Hey, hi everyone. In this video, we'll discuss here DMVPN. It's a lab. So this is our lab setup. We have like one data center location. It's a hub location. And apart from that, we have a different branches at spoke locations. Spoke one, it's a branch one, and it's a branch two and branch three. So in DMVPN phase one will configure static configuration. Statically, it will be establish the connection. Okay. Now, step by step, I do have configuration. Before that, I'll turn on entire devices. So selected and start selected devices. So I have the configuration for time safe purpose. Will copy and paste. I'll provide this entire configuration at the description. Just go to the description and you also copy and paste. Then we'll troubleshoot it. Okay, once the entire devices will be on, start configuration. It's a new device, no configuration, nothing is there. Then we'll start ISP router. Then we'll configure, we'll start spoke router. And then we'll start, it will be take time. So that is the reason I have configuration to provide you in description. In description, you can copy and paste it and your devices also. It's a router spoke 3 means branch 3 router. So I will start configuration. First, we'll select hub location router. So now we are in user mode first. Just enable. Then just write copy with Control C and select hub location router and just right click. The entire configuration will pick. Just hit enter. You can hit show running configuration. This is our running configuration. We configured before the show IP interface brief. I have configured three interfaces. Fast Ethernet 0 by 0. The IP address is 11.1.1.1. Exactly, I have given in diagram also. You can refer it. Fast Ethernet 0 by 1. This is IP address. It's a LAN interface basically. And we have a tunnel. We created one tunnel interface. The IP address is this tunnel also. Then we'll move to spoke location. Spoke 1, branch 1. It's our branch 1. Just Control C and move to spoke location. And currently we are in user mode. Nothing configuration. It's brand new router. Enable. So IP interface brief. Even though host name also not changed and IP address is also assigned here, you can check. Just right click. Just right click. We assigned. And same thing we'll do branch to spoke location. Don't worry, I'll provide you this configuration, entire configuration and description. If you want to same topology, just comment and I'll reach out. Done. Spoke location also. Then check here host name also changed. And then write command you can use. Then we'll move to spoke location 3. It's a branch 3 router. And from here you can wait, enable, and just right click it. Then right. Yes, the building configuration is done. And same thing we'll do at ISP router also. We have ISP router configuration. Just copy from here. Once done entire thing, I'll explain the configuration part. So, it's ISP router. How to set up EVNG? If you want to know, just comment. I'll explain step by step process, and I'll provide you the images also. Exit from here and just use write command, and we'll move to spoke location 1. So here what we did till. So in this configuration, the hub location configuration, fast Ethernet 0 by 0. This is interface, WAN interface we configured, and LAN interface it's a 0 by 1 we configured, and we created one tunnel interface. It's a logical interface, and we have given the IP address and its GRE configuration. From here it is started from here. So tunnel source, it's fast Ethernet 0 by 0 we configured, and tunnel destination, it's tunnel mode, it's we are not assigning any destination. Basically in GRE we configured earlier in previous lab, we configured as a destination IP address, so whichever we required, but here no destination. That is what in the DMVPN. So here we configured its network ID 1, it's kind of router ID, and here we configure 2, and it's kind of 3. Here we have a in OSPF, it's kind of router ID, and we configured nhrp, next hop resolution protocol. It means it's kind of ARP resolution. So you have seen in layer 2 protocol, ARP protocol, address resolution protocol. It will be what it will be to find out the ARP MAC address to IP address, and IP address to MAC address. It will be find out unknown MAC address. It will find out. Same likewise here we configure. So we have given the ISP route from route east towards ISP, and we configured this is a tunnel IP routes. That's it. So this is all about configuration. Same thing we did here, but here's little bit change. Only destination we given at hub location only we configured. The destination is GRE multi-hop, but in spoke locations we configured destination IP address as a. So basically in DMVPN phase 1, we cannot assign like hub to spoke. So spoke to spoke location, we cannot assign it. Means we have a, we'll create tunnel overlay. It's a overlay, and this one is the underlay reachability. So we created here spoke to spoke location to and hub location. So it's a spoke, and this one is a spoke, and this one is the hub location. So basically here we can configure only hub to spoke, spoke to hub, but spoke to spoke reachability we cannot configure here. So whenever if you want to discuss to any spoke to spoke, so first traffic will be moved to the hub location, then it will be moved to the spoke location likewise. So we'll verify it here from here. The configuration part will verify hub and show IP nhrp. With this command, we can verify it. So this is the my tunnel interface of my destination. This is what my branch 2, and this is what my branch 3, and this is my branch, sorry, this is a branch 2, and this one is the branch 3 configuration. And next hope IP address is, this is the branch IP address of that. And here we can check it's a branch IP address 12.1.1.1, and this one is it's a branch 2 next hop IP address. It's in branch 3 next hop IP address. You can verify it. If you want to try to ping and trace out from PC, we haven't assigned the IP addresses at PCs. Now we'll assign it. Just give the IP and 192.168.10.10 and /24 and 192.168.10.1 is a gateway. Likewise, we can assign it. If you want to check show IP, just this command show space IP. So we have given the IP address with mask. It's 255.255.255.0 and gateway is this one, and this is a MAC address of find out it got. So we'll give the IP address for PC 12. So PC 12 is branch 1 router, batch 1 PCA. Just double click it and IP 192.168.20.10/24 and 192.168.20.1 is a gateway. Now try to ping from PC12 to PC1. Ping 192.168.10.10. Some packets will be dropped. So we got a ping. Can check it and we'll trace it. Then only we can verify it, how the traffic is flow. Trace 192.168.10.10. So it's a gateway of next to its gateway, and the next hop it's like hub, and the next hop IP address is we got our final destination. So we'll configure here. Same thing. For branch 3 will prove hub to spoke location. Will be not like spoke to spoke. We cannot find out. We cannot create spoke to spoke on this DMVPN phase 1. So here we have two types of phase 2 configuration. One is statically, one more is dynamically. So just now we configured statically. In next video, you will find out dynamic configuration. So now I try to ping hub location 192.168.10.10. Just wait a spell. We'll check configuration part at what we did mistakes at branch 2. So here our destination, and this one is, so here we configured 130. This is actually 100 route only. IP route 192.168. This is what we did mistake. So this kind of troubleshooting also you'll find out here. So just we'll move to the spoke location. Spoke 2 and 50. Before that, we'll check So IP route. So here it is not showing the IP route of 192.168.10 dot. This prefix it is this network is not showing 192. This LAN prefix 192.168.10.0. So we'll configure it. Config T. Now just right click and we'll remove this prefix because we don't want to entire show running configuration. You can find out from here. We don't want anymore on this network, this IP route. Config T, and now we remove it. Now you can try to ping it. PC13. Yes, we can able to ping. And trace 192.168.10.10. You want to reach from this spoke to spoke location. Yes, we can ping it 192.168.20.10. So now reachability is not there. We'll provide the reachability in next videos. Thank you for watching. If you want to make a reachability in between spoke to spoke, just visit our next videos. Thank you so much for watching. So just click on comment and subscribe to my channel. If you want to more, just subscribe it. Show IP. This command we can wire out. We don't have a path to IP route. Just I'm giving the overview. If you want to more, I'll just visit my next videos. Thank you for watching.